Boyfriend's log, November 20th, 2016. And I know last night that I told you guys in a ramble video that I was going to be filming this cool urban legend spot where there was a train that went off the tracks because a flood swept away part of the tracks. Well, they're rebuilding it now. So there's no cool end of the tracks to be able to film to show you guys because it's fixed now. It would have been somewhere over there. What's the name of this creek?
Kiowa.
This is the Kiowa Creek near Bennett. And yeah, nothing more to see. I mean, there's some pretty old parts of this bridge, and then all that's pretty much new. Shh. Listen. Suppose I can still try to salvage some of this by getting some good video viewpoints over here. I'll climb something for you all. Snow. Alright. Alright. And there it is. And somewhere around down in that area, that would have been where the train buried itself when it went off the tracks because the tracks were swept away. So you can see where they're shoring this up with supports. Get in here for you guys. Oof, gotta dodge all these raindrops. Okay, so right in there you can see what they're trying to replace. This looks like after this thing had been sitting around for a while, after part of the bridge had swept away, someone set fire to it. So the oldest nails I can find while I'm here are on this plate here. Not entirely too old, but looks like everyone picked up all the old nails.
Okay.
So a little bit of adventure for today. Climbed up this. And here is what it looks like down the track. So at the bottom of this path that I took to get up there, right next to all this snow, is a snake trying to sun himself. He's a little bit late for trying to hibernate, but there he is, trying to sun himself. Hope he makes it into a hole before the snow really sets in.